What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Mike, and I wanted to show you a new product by a company named Rival. And what they have done is they have come out with a hood strut kit for the Jeep Gladiator or the Jeep Wrangler JL. Now, what that is, these struts replace the hood rod that is currently holding up the hood in your Jeep. And these are pneumatic struts, gas-powered struts, that will do the job of holding up the Jeep on their own. Once you open up the hood, the struts just lift it up and it stays there. These are fairly good quality struts. It looks like it's going to be a fairly easy, straightforward install. There's only 4 brackets that come with the kit, and the screws needed to install them. So I'm going to go ahead and install this kit and see how it goes. One of the reasons that you might want to replace the hood rod kit is that if you have like an onboard compressor and you're out in the field, you're out in the trails, and you're airing up and you go to lift up the hood, and if you're in windy conditions, sometimes it can get pretty dangerous. The hood kind of gets wobbly. I have seen it happen to somebody where the wind just picked up the entire hood with the rod with it, and it came down, and fortunately nobody got hurt, but it could have been a dangerous situation. Now these will just hold up the hood on their own. Now I do have one minor complaint about this product, and that is the packaging. So I got these from Northridge 4x4, and they shipped it in the factory box, and by the time it got here, it did get tossed around, obviously, in shipping. And when it got here, these brackets were outside of its package, ripped through the package, and you can see all the scars and dings on the struts. I'm not sure if it'll focus in on you here, but you see the dings there, and scratches. I mean, it's no big deal, but you know, if you're a perfectionist, you're gonna want these to come in pretty good. But like I said, it's not a big deal for me, but just a little minor complaint there. But all right, so let's go get started on getting these installed and see really how easy this install is gonna go. Now we are gonna start with these 10mm bolts, factory bolts. Remove those. Now you're going to want to put this end piece facing forward on the passenger side, just like that. Then tighten your bolt back up. Okay, you want to do the same thing on the passenger side. Now to install the front brackets, it's going to be a little tricky. You have to pull slightly, move the weather stripping out of its place, and you're going to want to get a bolt or a screw started. And what you want to do is put that right in there. Let me see if I can show you with the camera here. Now that's what the passenger side is going to look like. Now you want to leave enough room so that you can slide in this bracket, and I'll show you what I mean by that. Just like that. See, this slides in there and then comes over here, and then you tighten the bolts. Now that's what that should look like. This, just like that. Pretty simple. And then you just tighten the bolts. Okay, as per the instructions, you want to cycle these a couple times. And then these just clip in like so. Bottom one. And then you get your top one. Just like that. Once you get them installed, you can put this one away for good. And there you go. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed another short video for the Rival Hood Lift Strut Kit. Please remember to like and subscribe. See you next time. And remember, take life by the horns.